Hello, great friends out there, and let's talk to all you guys out there that love the 5.9 Cummins diesel engine. All right, this is my 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. It's got 148, I'm almost 149,000 miles on it. The 5.9 is definitely a proven engine, and why Dodge wanted to make changes, I don't know. They had a proven engine, they just kept changing. And I've heard different stories on how the 6.7, there's been some trouble spots here and there. If something is great, leave it alone. With that being said, let's talk about the Crankcase engine filter. I will guarantee you this, and I want some input from you Cummins guys out there. I know it was several years they put a Crankcase engine filter right under the cover here, all right? I think the price runs around $100 to $140 for that particular filter. And the book says, if I'm not mistaken, it changed it at about 125,000 miles. I'm about 148.9, let's just call it 149,000 miles. I'm about to do mine, so I think I'm okay. With that being said, for all you people out there that do not do the proper maintenance on your diesel engines, and I'm really specifically talking about this 5.9 Cummins, this has been a great engine for me. It's been flawless. Now, here again, when I say flawless, I only use this truck to, pull. And I've got, I don't know if you can see it over there, I got a 30-foot travel trailer way over there somewhere. Pretty heavy trailer or whatever. But again, the 5.9 diesel Cummins has got a hell of a history on it. It goes back many, many years. And again, why would they keep, if it's such a great engine, why keep changing it? Do these engine manufacturers, do they keep changing a proven product to make it cheaper or make it better? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. So you Cummins guys out there, please comment on this. So again, I think most of you guys are not changing this internal filter. I'm doing mine. It's all part of the maintenance. From what I gather, this engine is designed to last somewhere between 700,000 and 1,000,000 miles under proper maintenance. They tell me, and this is just, hey, I'm just the messenger. Don't laugh, or laugh if you want to. The truck will actually fall apart around the engine. So for all you diesel gurus out there and know a lot more than I do, let me know what your opinions are on the Cummins 5.9. And this is a 2006 model. So, this is sort of a questionnaire type video, but again, do your maintenance. If history is correct on this particular engine, it should last a long, long time compared to a gas engine. Let me know what you think. The Cummins 2006 year model, 5.9, 24 valve. Let's see if you can see that. Turbo diesel engine. For me, it's been flawless so far, but I'm at low miles. Let me know what you think. Thank you again.